All right, everyone. So many of you know from today that last night we had a family Thanksgiving because we couldn't do it on the actual Thanksgiving. So everyone came over last night, and then, long story short, my son hit everybody with the news that he's going to be a father. My daughter-in-law is pregnant, so here's the thing. It turned into an absolute celebration. I call it. We ended up having an Irish Thanksgiving, and I'm not gonna lie, I overindulged, and I wasn't worth a damn today. So my apologies. But I'll be back at it and back to normal tomorrow. I haven't suffered like this in a long time. So anyway, that's what happened. My apologies. I'll be back at it tomorrow. I mean, I was in the room today. I don't think I found anything decent, and most of today I was just trying not to die. All right, so with that said, the SPY, another very narrow range. Look at the range on that candle, and then yesterday's candle compared to most of them, right? It's just really, really sideways dead out there. So I'm not sure that I missed a ton, but anyway, I'm going to put this over here, pause the video, and read that if you're new. Talks about what we're all about in the chat room, and I'm going to just buzz right into the stocks that we're watching tomorrow. You guys know we focus on in-play stocks. And BIS, I think Citron came out with positive news about this, a positive take on it as the unnoticed yet AI play, or yet unnoticed AI play. Anyway, it got some nice volume on that, topped out at exactly 30. As a matter of fact, I was thinking about trading this over 30 in after hours. Just got back in my office and it's trading at 30.49. So I don't know, it's probably pretty thin anyway in after hours, but anyway. It's really strong. We're going to watch that one going forward. For the rest of the week anyway, GSAT, nice volume today and trying to break these recent highs from early November. Closed below it, but definitely worth watching. QMCO had this crazy 2-day move, or 2.5-day, and then reversed, then gapped up, and now it's been down 4 days in a row. Well, when I say down, I mean lower highs 4 days in a row, but a nice reversal today, right in that buy zone between the 8 and the 20-day, right? So this one goes on long watch for tomorrow, just for a continuation of today's move. PSQH, huge move today. Definitely want to watch that one tomorrow. PRCH, big breakout. Could have again, a lot of these are extended, but we're still going to watch them because we're day traders. Fossil, FOSL, big rip yesterday, quiet inside day today, looking for a possible third day play. BBAI, also had a note about this one in AI. So the AI plays are a couple that we really haven't been trading lately. They've come into focus with that NBIS and then now BBAI, a really nice move. So we're going to keep those on watch for the next week or so we can get some good A+ setups. UAVS, the drone plays have been really strong, and this one had a gap up on, and it's a really low float stock. So it had a gap up on Monday, sold off, and then also another red day on Tuesday, but on much lower volume, right? So I'm looking at this for a potential turn back up tomorrow. So I'm going to put it on bounce watch. VCIG, you know what? I'm going to pull this one off because it's completely round trip, which means probably be the biggest winner tomorrow, but I'm going to take that off the list. I don't mind the 3 days in a row down after a big pop, but I don't like the fact that it basically round trips. So it takes a lot of the oomph out of a possible bounce. Having said that, it doesn't mean if you have an empty chart tomorrow, you shouldn't put it on there because it might give an A+ setup. And I will probably still have this one on a chart. All right, so that's that one. UMAC also had a big rip, and then the gap up, nasty red day, gap down, another red day, volume's coming back down. That one goes on bounce watch for tomorrow for a possible turn back up. RCAT, also really strong drone play and a couple days lower now. Goes on bounce watch. PDYN, same thing, same space, or at least they have some sort of agreement with, or a contract or something with RCAT. I think they're more AI for drones or for probably many things. Anyway, I'm not smart enough to know all the ins and outs of it. I do like the chart in that. It's been really strong. Now we got 2 red days in a row, and it's kind of in that space we're looking at, right? PSTG, this one's gapping in after hours, trading as I'm talking to you at $66. So if that's still gapping in the morning, it goes on the gap playlist, as does HRTX. Closed at $1.18 as I'm talking to you. It's trading at $2.25. So those two are possible gappers tomorrow. All right, and that's it for me. I will see everybody. I will be there in pre-market tomorrow. I'm not going anywhere near any kind of celebration drinks, so I will be there tomorrow in pre-market and building a list of gappers to add to this list. All right, have a great night, and we'll see you in chat.